I want to just reach out to each of you and thank all of you for linking the past with the present. Today's effort is a great effort on the part of the present generation of students at the Law Center 2, which I have been now heading for the last 3 months. And my great zeal to have a link with the past. I had organized one alumni meet in 2005. That time, Justice Dhingra was a district and session judge. And I still have the beautiful album of that alumni meet, which I consider to be one of the best functions that Law Center 2 has ever organized. This is the just beginning of what we propose to do in future. We had recently an orientation program in the Law Center 2. Professor Baxi was our own man, and therefore he was a Vice Chancellor, but he was a teacher of the Law Center 2, coming to Law Center 2. But it is for the first time in the history of the Law Center 2 that other than Professor Baxi, the Vice Chancellor and the Registrar both have come for the first time in the premises of the Law Center. And not only that, they promise that it will be the beginning of their frequent visits to the Law Center. Now, what makes me to believe that it is not the building, it's not the better infrastructure which makes a person to produce good students. And Law Center 2 is very fortunate in having the best of the students. In fact, it was my effort that this orientation program we should be having a student of the Law Center 2 who should give the main address. And we had Justice Badr Ahmed, who was the acting Chief Justice of Delhi High Court at that time, whom we invited, and I did not have to write letters and letters to him, just one request to him. He said he'll be too glad to be there. We are very proud that we have produced extraordinary judges like Justice Dhingra, in whose court it did not make any difference whether it was the fresher or it was a person of long standing who were presenting their case. It is our center which gave the first semi-chairman to the country. And we have extraordinary students, and we are proud of our students. And today, our all students who have a vision about the Law Center 2 and what we are going to do in Law Center 2, they have all on their own very willingly come. And we are very proud that we are today here cementing the relations with the old generation of the students of the Law Center 2. And I have no doubt, it doesn't matter whether BT Kaul is the in charge or he is not the in charge. This step which we have taken today will remain everlasting, and the students of this center will in continuity carry forward the message that we belong to one good institution and we have a relationship of a fraternity. And that is the message that I wanted to convey. Thank all the people